Today I'm going to show you how to make Filipino style Pad Thai. First, we're going to start with the sauce. Add 3.5 tablespoons of tamarind concentrate. Add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar and 2 tablespoons of pea sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Now we're gonna cook our vegetable. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1/2 chopped onion. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 Thai chili pepper. Now we're gonna add 6 ounces of pork, or you can use any type of meat. We're gonna move our meat and veggies on the side and scramble 2 eggs. Next, we're gonna add 6 ounces of cooked rice noodle and pour the sauce on top. Then add 1 cup of bean sprout. Then add 1/8 of green onions and 2 tablespoons of cilantro. After it's finished cooking, garnish with crushed peanuts and lime. And now it's ready to serve.